Today's at-home workout I've designed for you is a 7-minute workout, and in these 7 minutes I'm going to get you super fit. We're going to be working you all over. We're also going to really work your abs. You don't need any equipment. It's apartment friendly, and as your qualified online trainer Lisa Wyndham-Read, I know how to get you feeling and looking your best. So what I would say, if you haven't already, it's really important, do make sure you warm up first. Then when you're ready, I'm ready to get you super fit at home in just 7 minutes. So here's a preview of the first move. This one, we're just going to do side toe taps, and you're just going to use your arms and just imagine you're pulling in a piece of rope. So let's get ready, 45 seconds, and just tap that foot from one side to the other. So it's a lateral move, and with your arms, just imagine it's a really heavy piece of rope and you're pulling it in. So this one here is a total body move. And we're also really fully engaging your core as well. So you're activating your core muscles as you take your leg out from one side to the other. So let's just keep that going. We've got another 20 seconds on this move. So 7 minutes today, and it's a full body workout, low impact, but still what we refer to as high intensity. So what we're going to do, once we've reached our 45 seconds on here, we're just going to go straight into 15 seconds of a standing abdominal exercise. So for this, we'll get your heart rate back down, but let's just do knee crunches and just take opposite elbow to knee. So let's have a look at your next move coming up. This one, we're going to just tap the foot behind and do double arm swings across. All right, so let's get ready and just tap that foot directly behind, double arms coming up. So again, this one we're doing 45 seconds. So here, another total body move. It's going to get the heart rate up, and it's just taking that foot directly behind and both arms, swinging them from one side to the other. So here, working the arms, working your shoulders. We're also working the glutes with this, lower body, and another move that is still going to engage those core muscles. All right, that's good. And we've got last 10 seconds coming up. And then we're going to do another 15 seconds of those standing abdominal moves as well. And let's go 3, take it 2 and 1. So go straight back, 15 seconds, your recovery. But while we're recovering, we're just going to really work your waist and abdominals. So you can see next move coming up here, we'll do 2 side steps, and then we take that to 2 hamstring curls. So travel that for 2. Now just one leg, 2 hamstring curls. Take it back, and then opposite leg for 2. And just keep that going. So if you want to make this a little bit harder, when you're doing that traveling step across, you can just take it a little bit lower. And then that's good. Doing that hamstring curl. So the hamstring curls really working through the back of the upper thigh, and we're adding in the arms as well. So working through the triceps. Keep that going, traveling from one side to the other. You've got last 15 seconds to go. And you can see on the right, you've got your timer bar. And what we're doing there is that represents the whole workout. So you can see how far into the workout you are. 2 and 1. So we've got 15 seconds recovery, so you can march out, or you can do that standing abdominal exercise. So it's opposite elbow to knee. And let's have a look at the next move coming up. So this one, again, we're doing a tap back, but we're going to punch the arms out in front. So it's that low impact cardio. So let's get ready and give me that power punch in front and just take that foot behind. Keeping that going. So this is going to get the heart rate up, and also here we're working upper body, we're working your lower body, plus we're engaging the core. And the idea is with these 7-minute workouts, I want to work as many muscles of yours as I can in a short time. This is how we can get amazing results from these quick home workouts. And we've got another 20 seconds to go. And definitely come and find me on any of my social media. Let me know on Instagram. Let me know when you've done the workout and how you're getting on with your training. All right, give me another 10 seconds. Really put some power in those punches. And let's go for those last 5. Take it 4, 3, 2 and 1. So you've got your 15 seconds recovery. Let's work your abdominals. So we're just going to do that opposite elbow to knee. This is great for the waist as well. So next move coming up, we're going to walk forwards for 3 and then give me a knee lift, and then alternating the knee that you're lifting. So let's walk forwards and knee lift, travel it back. Now walk forwards and opposite knee coming up. That's good. So make the most of the room you've got and just travel that up. And as you draw that knee up, here is where we naturally really engage those core muscles as well. So keeping that going
and really swing through with the arms. That way then we're working your upper body as well as your lower body. So you can see it's low intensity, but it's still what we call low impact, sorry, but what we refer to still as high intensity. And we've just got from now, your last 10 seconds, doing really well. And you can see on that timer bar, we've nearly finished today's workout. So let's just keep going to the end. 2 and 1. All right, so bring it back to working those abdominals for me. Opposite elbow to knee, and this one here, then we're really working through those internal and external obliques. So next move coming up, it's half star, and then it's a double arms in front. So get ready, one arm up, then the other, then straight arms in front for 2, half star, and then double arms, keeping that going. And the other benefit you'll get from doing this 7-minute workout with me today is I'm also working on other things like your balance, your flexibility, your agility, your coordination, and also what we refer to as motor skills. So that's the muscle and mind connection. All right, just keeping that going. Last 20 seconds. And definitely, again, come and find me on Facebook. And let's just go last 15 seconds. Nice control. So double arms and then half star, double arms. That's good. And you can really pick up the speed with this as well. 3, let's go 2 and 1. Let's bring it back to working your abdominals. And the great thing is, if you've really enjoyed this workout, you can always simply just rewind, do it again, and turn it from a 7-minute workout into a 14-minute workout or even 21-minute workout. You know, you make these workouts work for you. So last move, we're just going to kick that leg in front. So we're going to walk and then kick. So it's similar to where we did the knee lift. This time now we're adding the kick. This is the last bit of training today. So let's just keep that going. And of course you could always come back later in the day and do the workout. And let's just keep going. So kick that leg. And as you kick that leg, you're then really naturally working through those core muscles. So this workout today has been really good. Total body. We've sculpted also all over, but we've also really worked through your core and through those abs. And let's keep that going. Last 10 seconds today. And then 5. Okay, that's good. And let's go 3, 2 and 1. So we're going to finish off 15 seconds now. Last little bit for your abs. Feel that working through your waist, opposite elbow to knee. Really good. Keeping that going. And this is so much better than doing seated or floor abs. Doing standing abs are one of the best ways. And you are now done. Well done for your 7-minute workout.
So there you go, there is your high five and well done with today's workout. What I'd like you to do for me is just carry on marching just until that timer stops, just so I can get your heart rate back down to that pre-exercise state. And really just take a moment just to think. You should be so proud of yourself. Think what you've done. You have just taken control of your health. You have just looked after your future health. And as your online trainer, I'm super proud of you. So you get a thumbs up from me to you. What I would say also at the end of this workout, end of this video, sorry, click on the link up there, come and do my cool down stretch, and well done for today, and I will see you back on my YouTube channel tomorrow.